Last week we went to Moonrocks to record a video to see how much a nearly stock truck can handle, but we broke 4-wheel drive on the Ranger. It actually just went shift into 4-wheel drive before hitting the trail, so we went there for nothing.
We're gonna fix it with this, hopefully.
And here's the old one.
The black thing is a little chipped compared to all the other ones.
Right there.
So we're hoping that's the problem. We'll place the switch. His dad said that it was like messed up in the first place.
Yeah, it might have been messed up for a long time, maybe since my grandpa owned it, or maybe even since my uncle owned it.
But we're gonna fix it
that,
today.
So.
Yeah. All you need is a 7mm wrench and a Renown card.
And a card. But we're not gonna put my information on here oh no!
Oh, he got it. Using his business card.
Man.
Oh, there we go.
We're good.
This is the plug we're working with.
Get that bad boy in there. Get that one started.
How much did you pay for this one?
Oh, 65, I think.
All right, this better make
And I paid like $5 for quicker shipping. I want to know if this is gonna work or if I'm gonna need to rewire everything. If I need to rewire everything, I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah.
It's actually not probably worth it.
WB Off-Road's over. Or Jeep.
Jeep.
Yeah.
That Jeep, not.
And see, that thing you can actually fix.
Yeah.
This thing got too much wires. Like, look at all them wires in there.
Gotta plug this in. Yeah. All right, let's lock the hubs. Okay.
All right. Okay, it's not doing what it used to. All right, switch that thing over.
Yes. We got
Ew.
4-wheel drive back. Yeah.
Let's go,
buddy.
man.
Didn't have to pay a mechanic for that.
Let's go. Nick is claiming that we're going slower than usual.
Can switches do that?
We got a little step up with boulders right there. I mean, Ford Ranger could probably do it. We'll see if we can do it better with, you know, some better 4-low. Because apparently that's what happens when you change your switch. Yeah, he's crawling. I feel like that is slower. Oh, he's taking the high line. Oh, tell me you take the low line.
Take it down.
All right, this is a bit of an interesting obstacle. Big divot. Oh, so close. Yeah. He got that easy. Too bad we can't disconnect your sway bars.
So basically on the driver's side, the pin moves pretty freely. On the passenger side, it doesn't, which means we probably won't be able to connect it very easily. So we're waiting to kind of wear in the bushings and all.
Well, let's get you flipped around and see how it does coming back down. This is a bit of an obstacle here. We're gonna see some flex. Woo.
It's fixed, we're good, we're back in business. Soon we'll be able to, well, there's snow, but soon we'll be able to go make our Spring Hunter Lake video more in depth.